This is my new Rovsun portable washing machine that I'm going to use in the RV this winter. I've got it on the kitchen counter so you can see kind of how big it is, but I'll have it in the shower. I'm testing it out. I've got the drain hose there, and I chose to fill it with the water bowl, the solid bowl. And it's running, it's not noisy. You set the timer and whether it's light or medium or heavy, and then the chamber on the right is for spinning water out after you've drained, and you can put more water in to rinse when this wash cycle is done. Reviews say that the spinner really does a good job. The stuff is almost dry.